So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can copy address in your Bitget wallet. So guys, if you want to copy your address in Bitget wallet but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it without any delays. Once you've opened that app, go ahead and tap on home over here, and once you're there, just look at the top left corner with 4 circles over here and tap there. Once you're here, you can find your username at the top, and right under it you can find ID. So guys, we just need to go ahead and tap on this double sheet icon over here and just go ahead and tap. As you can see, it says copied, and there you go guys. That's how you copy your address in your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.